Welcome back everyone. It's time for an unboxing video, and this has just arrived. Now this was a bargain. If it works, it was $27.99. And if you know where you can get one cheaper, put it in the comments. So I'm hoping this works, because it's cordless and you get a battery for 27 quid from Temu. And this is the Troy cordless vacuum cleaner. Let's get it unboxed. Don't know what that is. Oh, there's the main unit. Oh, there's the main unit. The battery built in. Oh, the battery's built in, yeah. Oh, it works. It looks pretty ace. 27 quid. It's got 3 modes, black and red. Battery's built in, 21 volts. Got the pipe, 1 pipe. Two pipes. Have a look at the head. Yeah, you got the head. It's got lights in the front. Let's have a look, see if we can get this put together. Just give it a quick demo. Yeah. Let's see if it. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's have a look. My God, that is ace. 27 quid. Does that not come down? Oh, it doesn't collapse, you have to take it apart. Oh, that's a bummer. This don't go down, this pole. You have to take it apart. There's a light as well. 27 quid from Temu. I don't know how long that battery will last, but for 27 quid I'm not going to complain. And in the box we got a Trevish. We got a spare filter. And we got your in between your couch, and that's it. It's not heavy either. 21 volt battery. That's not actually half bad for the money. I'm happy with that. The only thing is the pole doesn't collapse into one. You're going to take it apart as two. It's a nice colour. There you have it. Cordless vac from Temu. Seems to work alright. Sucks alright. 27 quid. Bargain. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.